3 specialized agent types have been successfully created in the Agent Zero framework. Debbi Degen specializes in meme trading and cryptocurrency market analysis. With expertise across multiple blockchain ecosystems including Solana, Base, Ethereum, Casper, and Bitcoin runes, she focuses on social media monitoring through Telegram channels, crypto Twitter, and Discord communities to identify emerging trends and viral opportunities. Mark Charts is a technical analysis specialist proficient in chart pattern recognition and TradingView platform mastery. He utilizes advanced technical indicators like RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, and Fibonacci retracements. With expertise in open-source trading software and quantitative analysis methods for identifying high-probability trading setups, Chad Trad brings 50 years of Wall Street investment banking experience, specializing in traditional finance and quantitative analysis. His expertise includes fundamental analysis, macroeconomic indicators, custom trading desk software development, and institutional-grade risk management strategies grounded in decades of financial market experience. All 3 agents maintain standardized operational protocols and are ready for immediate deployment, providing comprehensive market intelligence across crypto, technical, and traditional finance domains.